these on the table.
How many rocks is there? Wait. Emma, stop. How many rocks are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
No, another 4. No, the burner's hot.
It's hot.
Burner's hot. You can. I can touch the burner. You can't touch the burner. How about 5?
You want 5 in there?
These rocks are getting
Hey, wait. Are you going to have 5 now, or are you going to have more than 5?
more than 5.
How many are you going to have?
5.
What comes after 5?
I don't know.
How many?
4, 5. I'm gonna have 5 rocks.
You already have 6 in there, Emma. You already have more than 5. That's enough. That's enough. No more.
2.
No, that's enough, Emma.
Oh.
That's too many. They won't cook. They won't cook right if you put more in there, Emma.
What?
Watch your toes, girl. They won't cook right if you put too many in there.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't. You have to let them be very little amounts, and then they'll cook the best.
No.
You watch your toes, little girl. If one lands on your toe, it's probably gonna hurt.
What?
I said if one lands on your toe, it's probably gonna hurt.
Why?
Don't mess with those, okay?
Why?
Because you can just pretend. You can pretend, but don't really turn them. Just pretend that you turn them.
Why?
Because you can't really turn them.
You make the burner hot.
Yeah, but we can't really cook. We can't really make the burner hot. You just pretend.
No.
So you can pretend to turn those. You can go like this. You can go like that.
Mommy.
Because that's the way you can do it. That's pretend.
Oh. These rocks are really hot. Put my tree on there. These rocks are going to be hot. These are hot. You sit on these so they can dry.
Leave that alone.
What is it?
It's just part of the barbecue.
Part of the barbecue?
Yeah.
Hey, these rocks are going to be hot when you eat them. Blow them off.
Okay.